Thank God. Oh, thank God.
Yes, everything.
Everything passed.
Yes.
Whoa, I must say, this is let me comment. This is not supposed to happen on a normal day. It doesn't work that way.
It doesn't work.
It doesn't work that way. That's the truth.
Oh my God.
Because one way or the other, you must have passed through several things that would make your job fail. Let's look at the last job. Click on success first. At this point, I want to say some things. Yes. Deploy infrastructure might fail. Then scroll down, scroll down. Once we are able to finish, if we can finish early enough, I might point out some points where this job is likely going to fail. Let's see deploy backend, go into it. Let's see the results we get. If you follow the steps the way we followed it, it will pass. But by virtue of walking in the dark and not knowing what to do, it probably would not pass. Okay, scroll down, deploy backend, the last job. Let's take a look at it. So scroll down. Okay. Okay, so everything works. Let's just go back to classroom. What's the next step? Smoke testing. Yes. Even if everything passes. This smoke test is something we have to check. Okay. Scroll down. Okay, backend test. So in order to test our backend, we want to see if that machine that we deployed, if it's accessible. So yeah, here. So no, stop going back and forth, please.
Okay.
Yeah. So here's fine. So we want to get the backend IP, then input it in this in that string, then check the URL with call if it is available. Then the contents, the results, we want to use we want to search for it. Yeah, I want to search for the keyword OK in that response. So if we find the keyword OK, we return 0. That means no problem. But else, we return 1. And when you exit with 1, you know what to get. That means your job has failed. Then front end test, please scroll down. Please. Okay. We are doing almost the same thing. We are going to go to the URL with call, then check if it has the general with general regular expression, if it has the word welcome in it. If it does, that means the job is fine. If not, then it fails. So we are asked to change this to 0 after the job fails. Yeah, so let's go to the code. VS Code. VS Code. Okay, we're not copying anything here. We'll be supplying something that should be able to help us. So here now, we are going to uncomment line 399 all the way down to 420 first. Let's see. Yeah, 420. Okay, that's the point. So front-end smoke test, back-end smoke test. So I'll just supply something that might help us and check that, then I'll still explain again.
So the first
so
one
I'm pasting some things in the command line.
Smoke test. Copy smoke test, the first part of the.
Okay, you've copied the first part, right? So you are looking for where to paste it, right?
Yes.
So as usual, you should paste it on line 241, 421. Then from there, we'll copy every other thing beneath it. Then we'll look at what we already have and what's new. So we'll delete what we already have, then we'll retain what's new. So you can copy all I've shared with you. So from there, we can explain and move forward.
Don't copy. So
Yeah, don't copy. Okay, so
yes.
let's see what we have here. So
Check the
we have some
indentation.
repeat codes. So you can delete from line 400 all the way down to line 421, 400 to 421. Yeah. So clear that space. Let Docker be at the same level with steps. Yeah. So okay, fine. So here we have chosen the base image again because we are not doing anything special. We just need we aren't doing anything special, but still we need AWS CLI. I don't know if we need Node, but I know we need AWS CLI. So let's find out if we need Node or not, because we have it in the code. We might have to remove it. So let's see. So we are checking out, we are getting the code from our GitHub repository, and we have requests to install Node.js and AWS CLI. We'll see where we use them later. And if we don't need them, we are removing them. So get backend URL. The code is supposed to be there, but for one reason or the other, this user is stubborn. So let's see. I don't want to separate the command for getting backend URL and doing the smoke test. I don't want to test my machine, or I didn't bother to export it as environment variable. I think I was paranoid at that point. I've seen a lot of failures. So here now we have backend IP, and we are writing AWS commands, AWS EC2
What line
describe
is that?
instances,
Okay, 414.
line 414. Yeah. So we are filtering by tag name, we are getting our workflow ID, and we are getting our backend. Then basically what I explained earlier in the classroom. So scroll down, let's see more code. Just trying to run through it. Okay. So if you look at this now, we never even used Node, did we? There's no npm. Scroll down, please. No. Scroll down. So there's no npm. Yeah. Destroying environment and reversing migrations. Do they require npm? Go back to the top. Let's see. If you are reversing migrations, I think you need a node installed. Go back to commands to the top of this file. Okay. The top of this file, yeah. So revert migration. We are looking at the command revert migration. We want to see why we added node, why we need node. Revert migration. Come down, slowly. Destroy environment, slowly. Revert migration, slowly. It's okay. Slowly. Can you see npm install, npm run migration? Yeah. If that machine does not have npm install, it will fail. Yeah. So I think everything we've done is okay. So our smoke test now. Smoke test is a hell of. Do we need to copy this? No, it's there already. Okay, it's there. I was hoping the install node was not needed, but we actually needed to revert migrations should our backend fail. If it fails, then if it fails the smoke test, then we are going to cancel everything we've done. We'll revert migration and we'll delete the environment. So I think we can just save this now. Or do you want us to do smoke test, and let's do two at a time? I'll scroll down. So we are going to take a leap of faith. Let's see if our smoke test will pass or fail. But yet we'll do something else along with it. We have just a few minutes. We're going to the jobs now, right? Yeah, CloudFront update. CloudFront update. So let me see if we can get some starter codes to help us with CloudFront update. Show on comment. Yeah, on comment that, please. From 445 to. I can't see you. Yeah, all the way down to 458 to 558. Yeah, on comment everything. So, and I provided some code in the chat box, so you can just take a look at it. So I should be able to explain this one as well. So just put your cursor on 459 and copy everything on that. Okay, hold on, please. So you can delete from line 446 all the way down to 459. I hope we are not expected to see meet any failure along the way. We'll find out when we go back to the classroom. So make sure Docker is at the same level with step. Indentation issues, please. Okay, so remember the KDV buckets, the ID. Okay, so what's happening in CloudFront updates? Oh, here we are trying to be as minimalistic as possible. We are going to use the AWS CLI image that Amazon has as a Docker image for this job. Then the steps we take in that image is to get our code from GitHub by using the checkout command. Then we save the old workflow ID. We first get the old workflow ID by running AWS CloudFormation command, which we have here from line 453 down to line 455. Then we save that to our KDV buckets. Then we update, what do you call it? Then we update our CloudFront distribution using AWS commands. I think that's all we are doing here. So if there's no indentation problem, as far as we can see, check that CloudFront updates. It should be properly indented. So I think that's what we are doing here. So you can just add this to Git and see if one thing, your KDV bucket, yes, yeah. Replace it. Please replace it. No, we did. Now I see why I didn't code it at first. But I think it's better copying and pasting rather than having to add it as an environment variable. That's a longer process.
Find one line. Okay.
Have you found it?
Up to this, right?
Yes.
Okay, I saved it. So,
okay.
New jobs.
So go to jobs. Yeah, workflow. So let's include that in our workflow. So we'll try again. Since our jobs were healthy in the past, that means they were not deleted. So we have a lot of stacks waiting for us to be deleted. No problem, just uncomment these ones and let's uncomment smoke test and all the all the way to 518. All the way to 518. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I should push?
Yeah, I can push now.
I call it smoke test.
Yeah, you can call it smoke test.
Yes. And CloudFront.
Yeah. You're doing a good job, a good job with your commit messages. It's a good thing you're typing these things out yourself. Okay, so let's go check the other let's go to CircleCI. Let's go wait for our jobs to to complete. Let's go with for them. There's a condition at the end of this. Oh, the problem with our YAML. Edit configuration. So let's see. What went wrong?
What did you want to say?
I was saying that we still have to. We'll get to a point where we have to push to a different repository to see that our job only works. Filters. It only works on a certain branch of our code. I think we are not there yet anyway. So let's see what line is the problem. In line 408. Okay. Name, get backend URL. Found duplicate key. Get backend URL. Run. Oh. You run. Hey, okay.
Syntax is wrong.
Yeah, indentation. You see that run. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back to our code. I'll fix this.
The indentation is wrong.
Yeah, indentation is wrong. Yes. Oh, I could tell from the voice. That's Femi. Femi, welcome.
Welcome, Femi.
I hope you had a good day.
So, yeah, check, thanks.
So
is it on the
yeah, exactly. So I'll just advise that, you know what, from line 408 down to 411, you can just clear it. Yes. No, just remove it. I don't think, since we are not doing anything there. We've collapsed getting the backend. No, all the way to 411. It's actually 411. Yeah. So you can remove. Since we've collapsed getting the backend URL and that together. So I don't think there's any need to have that separate. Yeah. So push it now. Let's see what we get. So you could, well, it's good you're typing. I was expecting once in a while when you are working on the same thing, you can just press your up arrow key and just add one to it. And
so you guys actually.
Yeah, it's fine. And it's really helping. It will stick. Let's go back to circles here. Let's see if YAML file is in good condition. Then we'll expect our failures from other points, not from the YAML file. Again.
Wait, again.
Yeah.
Sorry,
no, let's check the file. Let's check edit configuration. I think this is why it's advisable. You try to fix it here, then note what you fixed, then you go back to it. What's that? Oh,
wait.
The command should be 2 spaces under
indentation.
Indentation, yes. Indentation is wrong. But
wait,
yes. 2 spaces, just 2 spaces. 1, 2. 1, 2.
In front?
No, backwards. Yeah, 1, 2.
No.
Then yeah, no, it's not okay. Another one. Then that means that all our codes should go 2 spaces. You can just try tab with that. I hope it works. It should work. So I'll copy from line 410. Line 410. All the way. Just bring down your cursor. Bring it down. No. Just that block of code is what you want to add indentation to. Oh.
So 1.
Can you tap that forward?
So what line to what line?
No, just tab. Just press tab.
My internet is.
No. Okay.
My internet went off for a bit. I was calling you guys.
Tab,
So,
the tab key.
tab.
Just press tab. Yes, that's fine. So there's another error.
The run is also having
The
issue.
run is, yes. So put that run, yes. Put it where it belongs. Just press back button. Yeah, exactly. That's his colleague on top. So let them be at the same level.
Just do the same thing as
The
up there.
name
Do the
for
same thing for the one
command.
down.
Mhm.
Do what is up.
I think my internet.
You take your run back one bit, yeah. The run is still bad. Just take it back one bit. Then take the name. Take the name back one bit. So it's always good to look at the lines. That's why VS still does the lines. So the lines is supposed to guide you.
So from 427 to 434, you can just apply tab again. Copy and apply tab. Highlight, sorry. Then tab. Yeah. So let's push again. Yeah, let's push again.
Destroy environment. Oh, you're supposed to tap that forward.
No. I believe it's a step 2.
Okay, you haven't gotten there yet.
Yeah, okay, it's a step 2.
It's actually a command.
Yeah, so yeah, it's a command, so it should be under steps. So it should be at the same level with run. Scroll upwards a little. Yeah, it should be at the same level with run. Yeah.
Is it not?
Or isn't it? It is. It is. It is. So let's expect. If you are wrong, I'm sure. We have another error in Circle CI. Let's see. You've pushed already. So.
There's another error.
Is there another error? Let's see. Are you sure this is the latest code? What line is that? 409. 409 saying mapping values are not allowed here.
Wait, let me refresh this thing, right?
Yeah, refresh then.
Still
Go back to your dashboard. Fine, good. Now we truly have errors. So let's check the configuration file now. Now we are going to try to fix it here. We'll try to fix it here before going out at all, so we can take advantage of the link tag here. So config the YAML is not valid. Scroll down a little. What's the problem with this command?
Your indentation is wrong.
Scroll down. Mapping values are not allowed here.
Your indentation is wrong.
Okay, so should we go backwards then?
Is it for which
scroll
line?
down. I see. Okay. It's okay. So I think the error should be between on line 426. Either the pipe.
The name and the command are on the same line.
Oh, they're supposed to be on the same line. Name and command should be on the same line. Exactly. That's the error. So try to fix it here. Don't go. No. We are not going back and forth anymore. Stay there, fix it. They will know what to fix. Yes. Oh, there's
sorry,
another one.
How long did it take you to finish this project?
I shouldn't tell you. I spent more than 2 weeks.
Yeah, I think you need to
Scroll up a little.
using shortcuts will save you a lot, especially on the job, because doing this would just drag you backwards, to be honest.
Okay, so what do they have advised?
Yeah, in terms of on the job, so like doing it first, yeah, you have, so once you just get your errors on the Circle CI thing, you need to quickly go and do your stuff on VS Code, because doing it once here, then going back to do it and all of that would just, just take you a bit of time.
I agree with you, but the linter would actually help. If you fix something here.
You have a lint, don't you have a linter on your VS Code?
No, I don't. And
Then
she
you should get
probably
one.
doesn't have one here now. So
You should get one as well.
409, line 409, and scroll down. What line did you fix? 409. I agree because okay, line 409 and 426. So let's go and fix that. I agree with you because this YAML file is very, very notorious. These indentation problems with YAML file is
yeah, so go and get a linter for your VS Code so you can do everything locally.
Do you have any extension for that? Do you know any extension for that?
Linter.
I'll have to check the one I use.
Huh?
There's actually linter extension on
Yeah, I think I have
extension.
one. I even have some extension for Docker files. Yeah, and those are YAML too. But it complains at times when you are not using when the YAML file is not even related to Docker containers at all. So maybe I'll get a better extension. So leave page. Just because we edited, that's why it's complaining. So leave page. Oh, fine. So can we go back to the classroom? Let's see what we're expecting. So we've tried smoke test and CloudFront updates. So let's see. But we can no, we don't have to walk ahead of ourselves. Let's go. Okay, we are here, Frontend and smoke test. Scroll down. Okay. Smoke test is supposed to fail. Why? Let's see.
It's supposed to actually fail because you put in what's the name. You're returning 1 in both places. So
okay, 1 in both places, right?
You're returning true for both, and the thing is what's the name? You're saying
okay, return one, right?
Yeah, return 1 means if my one
yeah,
is
yeah, that's like more like exiting 1. It's the same thing.
Yeah,
0
so
will make it pass.
Yeah, just to test out that the thing works, and 1 returns true. I think no, 0 returns true, then 1 returns false. I think.
Yeah, they would say in JavaScript they'll say 0 is falsy and 1 is 0 is truthy. Yeah, 1 is no. I'm mixing things up. I'm not listening to JavaScript anymore. I'm not. Or Python, even Python as well. Go back. But I'm going to gladly tell you that your test will not fail you, just in case you don't know, because we fixed that return 1 issue. So maybe you would have to go back and make
1 is true and 0 is false. So that the whole essence is you're returning.
Okay, so it won't fail.
Yeah, it won't fail. Don't just let's go back to the classroom. It won't fail.
I need screenshot, right?
We'll
have to trigger it to fail in that case. More
just
like
cancel the job and go put it on 1-1 so you don't waste time.
But I'll be glad. Okay, maybe you create another one because I'll be glad to see if that one is going to fail. If it's going to pass, then all we have to do is just make it fail. It's easier to make it fail after it has passed than making it pass after it has failed.
Okay, so we should wait.
Yeah,
we just go to the classroom and
no, you can go. No. Even if you decide to send a new job now, it's not going to affect the old one. So you can maybe just wait. Yeah, we can wait. Then we'll make it fail.
Okay.
Yeah, we can wait. You can make it fail. Just wait and make it fail. So what are we doing now? Where were we? Okay. No. Let's go back to classroom. so that we don't miss anything. Okay, we are here actually. So scroll down. So we are going to actually go make it fail after this. Then rollback phase, we've done this. Why are they telling us about rollback at this point when we would have had a lot of failed jobs? Okay, scroll down. We've already fixed this with that command. So we usually add the destroy environment to each of our jobs that has to create the environment. So when things fails, it destroys the environment. Okay, scroll down. I think we're fine here. Okay, we've done this to revert migration. Yes, that command at the top of our file. Scroll down. Then, okay, provide a screenshot after failed smoke test. Okay, for a rollback after fail. Oh, the good thing about this is when we trigger a failure now, we are going to provide a screenshot for rollback and a screenshot for failed test, right? Okay, so scroll down. Scroll down. Femi, is he still okay? Are you there? So are you how long did the prayer take you?
It took me a few days.
Oh, that's nice. So that means you followed everything meticulously, the instructions one after the other. You
The
didn't
whole
skip
idea of the project is the reason a lot of guys have issues is first not reading instructions. So the rush to finish is the one thing. And the second thing is not being although yeah, it was frustrating a bit of it. I had my errors, but because I know I've been doing this for a while, so I know like you face errors and you just need to stick with it. But a lot of the time it was just little guys missing a lot of like, yeah, either with the circle CI environment variables and all of that. But if you actually read and go through the entire project, your projects will fail, but you'd get an idea. And also reading and understanding the errors is another good thing as well.
Then in some cases, I think not having the expected knowledge that the job requires might actually make your job fail, because they left us in dark in Ansible playbooks. Yeah, we're left in dark and we had to do a whole big steps ourselves. So that requires you reading up to fill the knowledge gap.
Well, that's the essence of knowledge, isn't it? Like you learn outside the classroom. I hadn't used Ansible before, but yeah, the project allowed me to understand Ansible and pretty much everything, like basic knowledge in it. So but the project is frustrating anyways, but at least if you stick with it, you learn a lot. So you learn Ansible, you learn using Circle CI and all those things. So frustrating, but yeah, you learn a lot. So I guess that's the whole essence. So yeah.
With sweat and tears. So let's scroll down a little. Promotion phase. Scroll down a little. Scroll down. Scroll down. Okay. So I think scroll down. So we need a screenshot when we do our promotion properly. Scroll down. Okay, clean up phase. Okay. Then there's I think clean up phase. Okay. Promotion. We'll stop at promotion. So the only thing left now is clean up phase, right? So let's go and check our jobs. This backend is very notorious for failing. Oh my goodness, configure infrastructure field. Damn. So let's go check. Wonderful. You know, this is the first time this thing is failing.
Yeah.
So why is it failing? Install Ansible. I think this is. Why is having problems installing Ansible? It seems we made errors. Did you touch the command for installing Ansible? Let's go back and check. Or calm down. Should we SSH into the machine and see what actually made install Ansible fail?
Okay.
So, but first things first, let's go and see the code for installing Ansible. Let's go to see the command for installing Ansible. Let's see why it failed. Did we touch it? Install Ansible. Okay, this is it. We didn't touch it. It still looks perfect. So this is work. Okay, so go back to Circle CI. I was hoping we never have to do this. But for the sake of the video, let's do that. So scroll to the top. Or better, so should you read it? Let's read the error messages. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Fail to fetch archive. What's responsible for this? It could just be a network issue. Do you understand? It could be a network issue. It doesn't look like
What about this destroy environment? There's another one.
it must have destroyed the previously created jobs, the previously created infrastructure. Did you create, let's see what's destroying. It's destroying.
So you
okay.
see the error message here. It says what? AWS command not found. That's
AWS
why
command not found. It could
that's
not
why
even install AWS as well.
So that's why I said it's always good to look at the error message very well, read it and understand it. So if you scroll up to the one up, scroll up.
No, get out of that.
How far?
So you see what's happening here now. So if you were to read the command, what is happening? It is trying to connect the instance, but it is what connection timed out. And when you see anything connection timed out in any code, either any software development, whatever it is, means that there's internet connection happening or a security problem that has to do with the keys. So in any cloud infrastructure, when you see connection timed out like this, it's one of two things. Either the internet is slow, or another one is the keys to connect to the particular instance are wrong or are bad. So for your for this one, I think this one is good. This one looks like it's internet problem, but the other one, the destroy environment, AWS was not getting what the AWS command is not found. So you need to go to that particular command, the destroy environment, and install and put in the image for AWS. So it's very good it would help you a lot. I had the same issues as well. So it would help you a lot if you can read and understand what error messages. It will save you and know where to go rather than running up and down.
So destroy environment.
So for the destroy environment, for instance, what particular, so this one, I don't know which one you guys use. So for instance, if you're going to destroy environment, because you're going to write, you're going to use AWS, you make sure that wherever you're using it, on whatever job you're running, has an image that installs AWS as a command as well. So I don't know what job are you guys using to destroy environment? I don't know how far.
That was configure infrastructure and configure infrastructure. So let's check configure infrastructure if it has AWS installed. But I'm sure rerunning that job would actually make it pass. So while we are battling with this, can you quickly go and click rerun while we're battling with this?
Rerun?
Yes.
Okay, to SSH into the...
Yes. No, not even to SSH. Rerun the whole job. I'm sure it will pass again when you try it again. But we are going back to fix this. But while we troubleshoot this, no, not here. You don't have to do all this. Go back to Circle CI. You can click on rerun. Exit this place. Go to dashboard. Okay.
Oh, that's what I was saying. Rerun.
Oh yeah, Come down. No, not here. Rerun workflow from scratch. From start. You are there. Oh, damn. Yes. So you can go back to what do you call it? You can go back to your VS Code and we can continue talking. So configure infrastructure. Let's check configure infrastructure if it has AWS CLI installed.
It doesn't have it.
So just just put the command there. I think we have a command for installing AWS CLI. So just add that here. So
sorry, hold on a second.
Okay.
What image are you using here? Why don't you use Python? Alpine.
This is Circle CI base image. So it comes with Python and some other tools.
Okay. So Ali, once you get on a job,
Okay.
might as well save yourself the time and use Alpine Python because it's pretty lightweight. This image is very heavy. So if you go on Docker Hub and look at the size, these are things that can slow down work a bit if you have slow internet. So Alpine is lightweight and it comes with a lot of tools and configurations as well.
So
The reason why I wouldn't choose
Alpine.
Alpine is because Alpine is lightweight and stripped of some of the basic things that a other Linux image might have. And in this case, why people would want to use Alpine is because it's lightweight and they might be transferring images from here and there. But here we are using Circle CI. So I believe the network connection there is pretty fast and we don't have to worry about the weight of the image. That was my assumption when I was doing this.
Trust me, when you get on a job and you do this, and you're deploying a very large infrastructure, you want to save yourself this headache.
The whole stress. Okay. But with Alpine, that means you have to install pretty much everything you need. Go to commands, please.
Because exactly. So the thing is, you install what you need. You don't install what you do not need.
Okay, so you see the command install AWS CLI. You can just copy that. Although you just copy the title. No, line
This
4.
one?
No, line 4. Okay. Yeah, just copy. Copy, then let's go and paste it. Configure infrastructure, right?
Okay.
Oh, we are here now. So on line 283. So make it look like install Ansible. Let it have the hyphen in front, then no semicolons. Yeah. It should look like an install Ansible. So this will run AWS CLI. So have you been on, how long have you been on this? Have you been in DevOps, Femi?
Just transitioned.
What did you say? You just transitioned, right?
Yes.
Okay. So this should help us install AWS CLI. Then what else was a complaint then? I think that was just network. So it was just the network. So scroll down. Is there any other thing you might have missed?
Also, hold on a second.
Okay.
So you don't have what's the name? What do you call it? Okay, install. Why are you installing Ansible on the thing?
We are actually going to configure our server. We are going to need the Ansible for that.
Okay, okay, that's fine. Okay, yeah. Okay, that's configure infrastructure. Okay, good. So you install AW. Okay, cool, fine then. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, so scroll down. Scroll down. So down.
Where do you want to go?
So no, just taking a look. Scroll down. So I'm sure that was because of, what do you call it? That was because of the network. So here let's run. Okay, save this now and run this one again. I want to make sure the job passes before we try to trigger a failure. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Yes, I want to make sure it passes before we try, because we're supposed to have make the job output one and return 1 and 1, regardless of whether it passes or fails. But I want to make sure it passes before I try to trigger a failure, since we didn't do that before changing our code. So enter. Yeah, commit. Write your commit message. You can just put 1 in front. Okay, fine. So have you pushed it?
Yes.
So
So,
let's check.
say,
Okay, the previous one
okay,
is
it was
it's running now.
Okay.
You see it's running. So I guess it's a network. There are times I don't know if anyone has actually experienced this. There was a time I was
Wait,
having.
two are running.
Okay, it's still running, right? So let's see where this is at this point in time. Oh, you see, it has gone past configuring parameter.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it was just a brief network issue.
Because I know there was like a few minutes, a few seconds, doesn't even up to a minute, within times.
So I expect this one and the other one to run. They are the same thing. The changes we made is not actually life changing. Yeah, it's not going to have any impact like that. So do you think we should jump ahead of ourselves to fix the last one? Or the code and trigger a failure?
Let's wait now, right?
You want to wait? Or let's take a look at the last one rather than waiting. I'm sure we might have issues with what do you call it? Smoke test. Yeah, I did spend a couple of days on smoke test because I'm trying to run deploy backend. Did we? Okay. All right. So let's see. I'm expecting maybe a failure or so on our smoke test.
Wait, we're expecting.
Yeah, I'm expecting. No, naturally, I think we might have a failure on our smoke test. Scroll down.
Scroll down where?
Down. No. We are taking a look. We want to know where exactly we are. On classrooms.
Okay.
Let's try to occupy ourselves and not just wait idly. Okay, scroll down.
We're looking for this screenshot.
Don't worry about it. It's about triggering a failure. It's easy to fail, but you've got to pass. Promotion phase. So promotion phase has to do with let me try to check well. We are going to deploy CloudFront with okay. I think we've done this before. Change initial stack name as applicable to you. So let me see. What are we expecting in promotion phase? Wonderful. So scroll down. Scroll down. Okay, we are going to take a screenshot. So I think once we are done with, once this one passes, we are going to trigger a failure. So once we fail, we'll take the screenshots, then we are coming to clean our face. So it's a blue-green deploy, what do you call it? Pipeline, type of pipeline where you have a working, what do you call it? A working solution, then you create a new one, then you try to swap the two, something like that. So you are going to fetch the old workflow ID, then once we get that, we are going to delete it. And please scroll down. So that's what we are doing. And here we are taking pictures of the success of a successful job. And this one is the last one. We are going to create a dev branch. We can actually do this. So I don't think
we have so many
jobs in pipeline,
right? That succeeded, right?
Okay, for this last one, right? Let's do this. I know we'll be jumping ahead of ourselves, but they are not related, so we can do this. Should we? So let's go back to
smoke test.
Oh, now we are busy. Let's go to smoke test. I know smoke test would actually show us better. So what's wrong with smoke test? So we have our IP and smoke test has failed. So let's see ourselves why if smoke test truly failed.
Hold on.
Okay.
So that's what I said again. It's good to always look at the error message and try to understand it. So from what is showing here, you told it to echo the API URL. Fine. And sorry. So wait, hold on, give me a second.
It's 11 already. I think I might have to tap out. I will just hand over to Femi.
Don't hand over to me. You continue where you started. You guys jump in for tomorrow. But yeah, go and check your backend smoke test. But it has to do with what's the name? Go back to
then in that case, just give me a couple of minutes to do some things. Probably in the next 5-10 minutes I'll join you. But there are some things I would want to drop a hint before I go. I'll come back in the next 5-10 minutes. The problem is from the instance that's actually serving our files. So you can confirm by trying HTTP 3.82.186:3030/API /status. I'm sure it won't give you any response. The server is down. So what we'll do in this case is we are going to go to AWS Cloud console. We are going to check CloudFront. We are going to check the resources created by the backend stack. Sorry, please listen. Resources created by the backend stack. So we are going to look for the instance that was created for this job, or we can even just go to EC2 instance and check the job that has this public IP. Once we get that job, we are going to SSH into it and see. We are going to SSH into it. We are going to use call localhost and run the same thing, this same IP address to see if the service is up at all. It's possible the service is up and the security the security rules, probably what do you call it? The security configuration is preventing us from accessing from outside. So when you do call localhost colon 3030 API status, if it's still not working, then you know, okay, the service is not up at all. Then once you know the service is not up, then what we'll do is we'll try to run the instructions again. The instructions in the Ansible file, we'll try to run it again, see where it failed. So I'll come back in the next 5-10 minutes. Let me just try to do some migration here. So Femi, don't worry, I'm still coming back.
Okay.
All right.
Not me, don't worry. It's what's the name of the video on the call?
Okay, everyone.